Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can restart your Netflix membership, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm logged into Netflix on my computer, and I'll be using my profile to explain to you guys how you can restart your membership. Now, there are three different ways you can restart this. One, well, they all depend on the time window after you've canceled and how much time has passed. For example, if I go into my account now, I have canceled my membership literally just a few minutes ago, and as you can see, it ends on the 17th of August, and the next billing date is the 18th. However, as you can see, I won't be charged again because it ends on August 17th, and because I canceled it a few minutes ago, I can just hit restart membership, and as you can see, everything has been restarted with the same billing date applied. Now, if you restarted a bit later, however, if 10 months have not yet passed, you can restart the membership and you might be asked to enter new information, for example, new billing information, such as a new card or something like that, and then your membership will be changed accordingly. You might be prompted to select a new plan, and if you've canceled more than 10 months ago, your account will be deleted and you will be prompted to create a new account with a new membership, and your billing date will start from that date. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.